Dear student, today I'm going to teach you what is the shape of PPC and how it is determined, what are MRT and what is MOC, uh, 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 and how the shape of PPC is determined. Now, first of all, if you see in the graph, you will find three types of graph over your screen. First graph, it is concave to the origin. Second, convex to the origin. And third, straight line. You will find three types of curves in the diagram. Now concave. If you will see concave, concave simply means that first increase with x, the y is decreasing but with a fast rate. Second, convex shape you will find neither it is touching to x-axis nor y-axis, and it indicates that with the increase in 1 unit of x, the rate of sacrifice of y will be decreasing. And the third, straight line shows that with the increase in 1 unit of x at each and every level of every stage, the equal level of y have been sacrificed. So what we can conclude, there can be three types of shape of PPC. Now they are convex to the origin, concave to the origin, and straight line. Now before understanding who determines the shape of PPC, let us first understand what is MRT. MRT full form is marginal rate of transformation, or it is also commonly known as marginal opportunity cost. Now what does it mean? It means you know that for increasing 1 unit of x, you have to sacrifice some units of y commodity. Why? Because resources are limited. In case of Khetilal, if Khetilal have to increase 1 unit of wheat, that is x, so definitely he have to sacrifice some unit of y. This rate of sacrifice is known as MRT, marginal rate of transformation, or it is also known as marginal opportunity cost, or MOC in short form. Now it can be calculated by, it is also known as slope of PPC. MRT or MOC is equals to slope of PPC is equals to delta y, sacrifice of y commodity upon gain of x commodity, or loss of y commodity upon gain of y commodity. This is known as MRT MOC. This MRT and MOC is responsible for determining shape of the PPC. Now how? If if you will find the if you will find the MRT is increasing, then the shape of the PPC will be concave to the origin. Let us take one example. If we initially assume that Khetilal having the option of 0 and 20, 0 unit of x and y units of 20 within a given level of resources, and if he is going to increasing 1, then it will be a 19. For increasing 1 unit of x, the Khetilal is sacrificing 1 unit of y. Then 1 upon y, delta y upon delta x, 1 upon 1 becomes 1. So MRT becomes 1. If we further assume that the Khetilal is increasing the production of x to 2 units, then definitely he have to sacrifice more units of y, let it be the 17. Now for increasing 1 unit of x, the Khetilal in this case is sacrificing 2 units of Y. Now you will find that in first case Khetilal have sacrificed 1 unit, now in this case 2. If this sacrifice ratio goes on increasing, then the shape of the PPC becomes concave to the origin. Now again let us assume that 0 and 20, again x0 and y20, for increasing 1 unit of x, if Khetilal sacrifices 5 units of y, that is 5, 15. Now 15, 1 and 15. And again, if we take a one more example, 2 and 11. Now in this case, for increasing 1 unit of x, now Khetilal is sacrificing 4 units. This sacrificing ratio, if goes on decreasing, then the shape of the PPC becomes convex to the origin. Now third, if the sacrificing ratio of x and y remains constant, let us take with an example 0 and 20, 1 and 18, and 2 and 16, 3 and 14. You will find in each and every level of increasing x, the Khetilal is sacrificing 2 units of y, that is constant. In this case, the shape of the PPC becomes constant or straight line. Straight line.